today's video is regarding the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm going to unbox it, then I'll transfer all the data from my old iPhone 6s Plus to this device. One TB and it's graphite color. So that's the iPhone. Now I'm going to show you. So this is how it looks like. So it's really nice. Look, great to see this phone. On the left hand side we have the silent button, volume up, volume down, SIM card. If we look at the base, we have the speakers. Here we have the on and off button, big Apple logo, 3 lenses, and they are bulging out as we can see from here. I'm going to do the initial setup. Swipe up, select the language, country, quick start. So click on the setup manually. Here we have a Wi-Fi network, so enter the password, continue. We can set up a Face ID now or later. We can also create a password. We have options to restore data and apps. We have option to transfer all the apps and data in the new iPhone from our old iPhone. Or you can do the restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android, or don't transfer apps or data. So I'll select transfer directly from iPhone. Now it says bring your current iPhone or iPad near. So here's my old iPhone, which is almost of same size, but it is iPhone 6s Plus. So here we get a message on my old iPhone. So I just have to click on the continue. So it's asking to verify. So I have to scan using this. Waiting for other iPhone. Okay. Finish on new iPhone. Yes. I have to enter the password of my old iPhone. Click continue. Agree with the terms and conditions. Now we have, it says make this your new iPhone. Here is everything set up as you had it on your other iPhone. So you will get all the apps and data and the settings as you have on the old one. So continue. Restore is complete. Continue. Set up Face ID. You can do it later. Agree with the terms and conditions. Welcome to iPhone. Here we can see it's downloading all the apps and everything. Click continue. Now we can erase our old iPhone or we can do it later. Do later on, so not now. So here you can see the signal is showing up on the top. So that means it's ready. Thanks for watching.